Day 2. Calming the mind and balancing emotions. Welcome back to your second session. Today, we will focus on calming the mind and balancing emotions. Begin by lying down in a comfortable position. Arms relaxed at your sides. Close your eyes and feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. As you exhale, let go of any worries or stress. Now, starting at your toes, slowly move your awareness through your body, noticing any areas where you may be holding emotional tension. Focus particularly on your chest, abdomen, and heart center. Allow these areas to soften with each exhale. Now, we will practice alternative nostril breathing or Nadi Sodhana to balance your nervous system. Inhale through your left nostril while closing the right nostril with your thumb. Then close the left nostril with your ring finger and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through the right, then close it and exhale through the left. Continue this rhythm for a few breaths, bringing balance to your mind and emotions. Once few breath is done, gently bring your hands back to your sides and bring your focus onto your third eye chakra. Now, imagine yourself sitting by a calm, serene lake. The water is still, representing your emotions. With each breath, the water becomes more peaceful. And as the lake calms, so does your mind. The stillness of the water mirrors the inner peace you are cultivating within. Repeat your sankalpa, focusing on emotional balance and calmness. I am emotionally balanced, or I am calm and centered. Let these words sink deep into your mind. Now, slowly begin to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. When you feel ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and emotional balance with you as you move through the day. Namaskar.